not attached to the water, their body is completely dry. Now let's take a look at their feet. They have webbed feet, you see? And they use their feet as paddles to be able to swim around in the water. Now speaking of their feet actually have no nerve endings or blood vessels. Now this enables them to swim in really cold water and to walk through ice and snow. Alright,
No standing.
now moving right along, this time let's go to the Amazon rainforest and welcome our cute little friends, the Amazon parrots. And here they are! Hi there guys! So again, these are called Amazon parrots. As you can see, they're cute, right? But did you guys also know that they are very intelligent and talkative? Now can we ask the kid please to sit down? Because the trainers need access to the stairs. Can we ask the mom or dad of the kid? Okay, so let's talk more about the amazing facts about Amazon parrots. Aside from their small size, like I mentioned, they are intelligent. You know, they are so smart that they can easily become bored as they are left alone without any interaction or socialization. And speaking of their ability to talk, Amazon parrots are actually known to mimic or copy the sounds of their environment. That's why they're very well known to be able to talk just like us.
Not yet. Almost there.
Because of that. But you know what? Let's not say to the Amazon parrots before they disappear from us for good. With that, let's give a big round of applause. Okay. Now you know what? This time let's welcome to the stage a bird that gets their name based on the color of their beak. This is called a toucan. Black. Now you know this is our hair and our nails. So even if you have a long hair, you can easily handle it, right? The same for their beak. Interesting, right? Okay, looks like Neil has to hop around. Okay, so let's give a round of applause to Neil, our toucan. Let's take it over here. Now, as part of the Gracefully Park's effort in making a cleaner and greener environment, all throughout the park, you will see trash bins. Now, how about we call on our ambassador for conservation who will show us how to properly throw our rubbish. This is Midnight, our raven. Let's take a look. Alright, Midnight, can you see him? He's over there. You guys know that ravens are very intelligent? Now, you know what? We humans often throw our rubbish on the ground. But I don't think it belongs to the ground, right, Trainer Ben? Let's show an example. Some people throw our rubbish on the ground. Throw it on the ground? Okay, but I don't think it belongs there, right? Midnight, can you help us? It belongs to that trash. Since then, has been a great help keeping this area clean. You see, guys, if Midnight can do it, then surely we can too, right? Alright, let's give each other a thumbs up and we throw our rubbish in the corner. Okay, now you know the next bird joining us here on stage gets their name, or actually has the loudest call among any other birds. This are called the cockatoos. Here they come, look behind you. So these two are called blue cockatoos or salmon crested cockatoos. These two black ones are called red-tailed black cockatoo. This one over here is the silver crested cockatoo. And on this one is called the chest cockatoo. There you go. If you hear what I mean by voice, if that cockatoos come before, wherever I mentioned they have the loudest call, They will go to their very Christian peace when it's time for them to go to sleep. And with that, let's give a big round of applause to our cockatoos fans. Now the bird joining us here is actually very different from the birds that we've seen so far. In fact, this guy is coming from one island in the Philippines known as the Palawan Islands. This is Bill, our Palawan hornbill. Let's go, Bill. Whenever you're ready. Here he is. Can you see him? Now let's talk about their beak. Their beak is very handy as it helps them pluck fruits from the trees just like our very own fingertips. And then you guys know that their beak is big enough that they can catch things in the air. Alright guys, don't miss this. Here we go! As amazing as this was, the Palawan hornbill is facing a lot of challenges in the
Palawan
wild.
hornbill.
They are actually classified as vulnerable. Along with the global issue of deforestation resulting in habitat loss, they are also hunted as food and ornaments using their tusks and their feathers. Now, although they are not extinct, their numbers are severely decreasing. So let's go on forward to help save the rainforest and in turn save the Palawan hornbill. And with that, let's give Bill a big round of applause to the picture. Now this time, let's go to Malaysia and welcome their national bird. This is the rhinoceros hornbill. Whenever you're ready. Let's call on Billy, our male rhinoceros hornbill. Whenever you're ready, guys. Let's just take a quick break. So we're coming out from here anytime. Let's take a look. This is Billy, and he is our male rhinoceros hornbill. Now guys, Billy will be flying really close, so please no touching of Billy. Thank you.
Are you hungry? Do you want chocolate milk? Are you ready for
Now that is actually called a cask. And we believe that cask works as a vibrating chamber to make their voices louder. Because hornbills are very chatty. Their calls reach from deep booming sounds to grace of a donkey.
Look at that, man. It's so big.
Now the hornbills are joining here at the center. How about we call on one adult volunteer to join me on
It's so
stage
big.
for
I will not volunteer. It might bite us.
How about the lady? Girl?
Siyempre, pupuntahan ka.
Only one, sorry. Good afternoon, welcome to the show. As far as you know, I will keep both of your hands. Can I borrow your phone? Okay. So let's have the audience differentiate the male and the female, okay? So this is the female or the girl, and this is the boy. Who is bigger? In size. Bigger in size? Yes, the male is much bigger than the female. How about the color of their eyes? What is the color of Mandy's eyes? It's black and? Yeah. Exactly. The males have red eyes, while the females have white eyes. And because of that, you will get a picture with Wendy, okay? Alright, all I have to do is stand in the center so that everyone can take pictures of you. Stand here. Put your left hand straight like this. There you go. And then your other hand like this. Okay? So will you please Wendy? This way. She's very nice. Let's hold it like this. Okay? Stay right there. Alright, the amazing creatures of the roadshow at the Asian Theater inside the Asian Village, where you'll get to see dogs and small otters and other smaller mammals. And at 4 o'clock